Hey guys, this is Redmi Note 6 Pro, a successor to Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's unbox this smartphone and find out more about it. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Let's keep the phone aside and find out more what's inside the box. You get basic micro USB Type 2. I was expecting USB Type C cable. Also you get the regular power adapter, but the phone supports quick charge 2 and 3. Also you get a rubberized basic case, but I believe that Xiaomi's cases are quite loose, which comes with the box. As before I did unboxing of Pocophone and also found the case was not having a firm grip. Phone has dual SIM support or one SIM with a micro SD card support. So you get all these things out of the box. Now look at the phone itself and switch it on for the first time.
I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think
The phone supports more than 70 languages, which is a good thing.
you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No. I just wanna be with
The phone comes with fingerprint and face unlock, both the features. Let's check the fingerprint scanner first.
you. I just wanna be with you.
The fingerprint scanner is quite fast, but there is a small delay compared to Pocophone. Now let's check the face unlock feature. Most of the Xiaomi's devices comes with the face unlock option, but sometimes you can't find this option in the settings. In this case, you will need to change the region settings to Hong Kong to get this option. Now let's see how fast is the face unlock.
I just wanna be with you.
The face unlocking speed is quite fast, but if there is low light then it might struggle. But still it's a good feature, especially if you're driving. Talking about software, this is running MIUI version 9.6, which is based on Android 8.1. Soon Xiaomi will update it with Android 9 and also MIUI version 10.
I just wanna be with you.
The processor on this phone is Snapdragon 636. The same processor comes with Redmi Note 5 Pro also. I was actually expecting that Xiaomi will give Snapdragon 660 with this device, as Redmi Note 5 Pro was a very popular device. And if they had launched the Note 6 Pro with a better processor, it would have been a decent move. Now let's talk about the main selling point of the phone, its camera. Or should I say cameras? Xiaomi has given 4 cameras on this device. Dual rear camera and dual front cameras. On the rear you get 12 megapixel main camera plus 5 megapixel secondary camera. It has AI mode, portrait mode, HDR, face recognition and also slow motion video option. On the front you get 20 megapixel main shooter and 2 megapixel depth sensor. You get face unlocking, AI enabled smart beauty mode. Also you get portrait mode option, which is quite impressive. The most disappointing thing about the camera is it does not come with a 4K recording option. Xiaomi should have included this option. Maximum 1080p video recording with 30 frames per second option is given. Now let's have a look at some of the sample images and videos.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
I'm quite impressed with this camera. In good lighting condition, pictures comes with a lot of details and contrast. And the portrait mode is also good, except on few occasions when it blurs the side of the subject, but overall it's quite impressive.
Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't
Front camera also have dual setup and it's equally impressive. Front portrait selfies are really impressive with a great bokeh effect. The camera on this phone is definitely better than Redmi Note 5 Pro and the USP of this phone.
Now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying. Trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
Now let's check the specification of this device and compare it with Redmi Note 5 Pro specs. Price is also similar between both the phones, just a marginal difference as Note 6 Pro is a new device, so a bit higher, but I'm sure Xiaomi will reduce the price after a few weeks of its official launch. It comes with 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB options. Redmi Note 5 Pro has been quite a successful device for Xiaomi, and Redmi Note 6 Pro is equally good, but the difference is not much between the two. If you are a proud owner of Redmi Note 5 Pro, I will not encourage you to upgrade for Note 6 Pro. Both are quite similar except for the screen size and camera enhancement. That's all for this video guys. I would be making more videos on this device. To see those videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video soon. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.